Welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can allow recommended for you notification on Prime Video. So let's get started. Firstly, open Prime Video app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notification. Make sure you have enabled allow notification. Next, you can see the option of recommended for you. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can allow recommend for you notification on Prime Video. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.